welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Majemuoluwa, and on this channel I create videos on tech, faith, lifestyle. So in today's video I'll be sharing on top skills that you need to excel as a product manager. In this world we're in, I've gotten a lot of feedback from a lot of folks that are trying to maybe transition into the role of a product manager, or folks are already practicing in this field and are looking for ways to scale up and get better in their skills. So in today's video I'll just be sharing 7 top skills that you need to excel as a product manager. So let's get right into it. You need to understand that you're pretty much a leader, right? Because the responsibility of your product, right, the success of your product, it lies primarily on you, right? So you really need to step into that role as a leader, right? And this is where other skills like communication, being able to communicate with your team members, being able to properly communicate your product vision, your strategy, and the likes comes in really handy. Collaboration as well, right? As a product manager, you won't necessarily be working only with your direct team members. You have to collaborate, with cross-functional teams, right? The designers, engineers, marketing guys, growth guys, management, customers. You really have to collaborate with everybody, and having a good leadership skill would actually also help. Teamwork as well, ability to take feedback as well. I feel like it's also something that as a leader you really need to learn to be able to excel in product management, because you will always get feedback from different parties, from different stakeholders. So you really need to learn how to take feedback. So number 1 is leadership. Number 2 is passion for technology. As a product manager, you're building tech products, and it's only natural, or it only makes sense for you to actually have passion for the products that you're building, right? So understanding the technology landscape, understanding the tech ecosystem, understanding how the tech products are built, understanding the trends, things that are happening in the entire ecosystem, it comes from a place of having this passion for technology. So it's something that you really need to be able to excel as a product manager, because it's this passion that will actually drive you to want to go the extra mile in terms of researching new ideas, looking at trends, future trends, looking at how you can develop your product, you can make your product stand out amongst the numerous competitors you might have. So it's very important that you have that passion for technology. Number 3 is design sense. I feel like this does not need so much explanation, right? Design sense, basically just you understanding how users would get to experience your product, how the user interface. Of course, you're not a product designer, you're not necessarily the one that would have to design the layout, design the interface, and the likes, right? But your input as a product manager is actually very important in influencing how the interface, user experience would be created. So personally, you need to have a very good understanding of product design, right? You need to have a very good understanding of how design works, and design thinking should be something that you practice all the time. Number 4 is analytics. We're in a world of data, and as a product manager, you will be doing yourself a lot of disservice if you are not very fluent in data, right? So analytics is something you cannot joke with, because you need to be able to make data-driven decisions. As a product manager, you have to make a lot of decisions. There are a lot of questions from stakeholders, from your team. Even personally, you have a lot of questions in terms of understanding how the business is performing, understanding how the users are interacting with the product. And one of the primary ways by which you'll be able to do this accurately, right, is through data. So as a product manager, it's important that personally you're able to learn how to analyze data, how to draw insights from data to help you make data-driven decisions. And number 5 is documentation, right? So beyond being able to verbally communicate, written communication is actually very, very important, right? So there are tons of documentations you get to prepare, you have to work on to be able to communicate your ideas, your vision, your strategy, your roadmap to stakeholders, right? So documentation is something, being able to actually write, document your thoughts is something you really need to learn as a product manager. Number 6 is prioritization. One thing you get to experience as a product manager is that there will be tons and tons of things drawing your attention or requiring your attention, right? You could have 10 product features that are actually important, but then the team only has bandwidth to maybe work on 4 of them within maybe a quarter, right? And this is where prioritization comes in handy. As a product manager, you need to learn how to, make that tough call of, oh, I think this is actually a lot more important than this. This is actually maybe more impactful than this, right? So there are tons of prioritization frameworks out there that you can learn about, and you can see which one best suits you and which one best suits your team. So prioritization is very, very important. And finally, I have user understanding. So basically being able to understand your users, right? I always tell people, as product manager, you are not necessarily building the product for yourself. So it's not a time for you to make assumptions on behalf of the user. Oh, I think users like this, I think users like this. Like I talked about, being able to make data-driven decisions, right? So you really need to understand how to draw insights from your users, how to analyze your user behavior, how to learn how to pretty much build your product for your users without you necessarily having to come up with ideas based on what you think users will need. So yeah, for me, I think these are like top 7 skills that you need to excel as a product manager. If you have more skills that you think a product manager should learn, please put them in the comment section. If you have other product management related videos you would love for me to shoot, please also put them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Share this video with everyone you know is trying to get into product management or already practicing. Thank you for watching. Bye.